Today we'll review this dash camera. Easy Mopo. It was gifted by the seller to me, so we'll review and look at what's inside, and also we'll install this camera and we'll see how it's working. In the box is included first camera itself. It's really nice camera, really fit packed and well saved in this foam cushion there. This camera has a big screen, really nice, all buttons over here, and this one is special because you can see there's 3 cameras here, so that's facing forward, and these ones you can see put it on the side, whatever angle you like, and twist. Also, this camera includes 128 gigabyte of memory. It's all included in this camera. Plus, it's not all. It's going hard there. There you go. Because that's not only the cameras are there, you can connect also the rear camera, so you can have full 360 view around your car. Plus this camera has also the parking mode, so you can turn on and have a parking mode on all the time, 360 around your car. So that's the camera itself and all the accessories in the box. So that's a mounting plate. You can place this mount and connect the camera. Also, if you want, the suction cup for the camera, and this is the power cable with USB-C. This tool will help you to remove plastic if you need to hide some cables, and also as well the rear camera, all right here. You can see the manual, how to connect, how to control, and all stuff like that. And last is the clips. If you cannot hide your cables, you can put it on a clips and it will be staying there. So let's install and see how it's working. I decided to go with a suction cup. Remove the film which is protecting your suction cup, so it stays all nice. So let's install somewhere here and close it. You can adjust also the angle of the camera, so you need up and bottom and the sides. Let's do later. And our power cable, we're gonna run it as usual, right like around there, underneath there, so it will be tight, everything, so you can see less the mess around. Let's put the power here, and let's go up and just slide there like that. So it's simple to use it. Just go on a menu button and you can see there's a video recording loops, and you can slide there. If you need to go to the generals, press again the menu button and you can go through the menu format, look for your format, volume, everything, date, Wi-Fi setup, everything what you needed, and go back, go to the menu, and it's as right now showing the front cameras and both sides cameras. So hopefully my video was helpful. Thank you for watching.